you are going to ask, what's your role as a manager or a leader or a coach? Anong sagot? Simple lang, do not forget this. My role is to set my people for success. Remember that always. Yan ang role natin. To set up people for success. Okay? Kaya may tool, mamaya ito pag-usapan natin ng coaching. No? But hindi siya absolute na ito talaga lahat. No? Part lang to. But it contributes a lot dun sa gagawin natin. Okay? And no, i-immerse natin sa mga concept, tapos dapat yung mindset natin, no, is you are a coach. So when do you coach? The question is, when do you coach? Pag may success or failure, so when do you coach? Every opportunity is a coaching opportunity. Okay? Usap kayo, nagkapintuhan kayo, but there's coaching that happen. Mamaya, i-differentiate natin para malaman ninyo kung coaching ba talaga yung ginagawa ninyo or hindi. Okay? O baka OJT yan. Anong OJT? Ano ang OJT? On the job torture. Di ba, na-experience yun ng mga OJT tayo? Di ba, parang torture? So, dapat baguhin na natin yan. OJL, on the job learning. Baguhin natin yan. So, I'm learning and you are also learning. Kasi coaching ang mangyayari. Okay? So, then, kung may chance, no? Sample lang tayo ng coaching, no? Conversation. Okay. Question, are you a manager or are you a leader? Sige, sino nagsabi na manager? Wala. Sino nagsabi na leader kayo? Okay, sino yung kahit anong tawag ni coach ayaw mag-raise ng hand? Okay, ano ang, or are you both? Are you both? Okay, so, ito yung dati ang traditional. Okay, ang traditional, ang leader nasa taas, ang mga direct reports nasa baba. Tama? Binubuhat ng mga direct report or subordinates ang mga leader. Okay? Yan. So, ang pinag-usapan, sales. Benta. Meron kaming boss noon. Natatakot kami kasi pag nasa lubong namin siya, kumusang benta pa rin. Ang tingin niya sa amin para kami pera. Tama? Diba? So, natatakot kami. Okay lang pag you are hitting your targets. Ang yabang pa, hanapin ka. Dito dadaan sa dito ako dadaan. Pero, diba, takot ka kasi kumusang benta pa rin. Diba? Yun. Okay? So, ito yung dati. Ngayon, binago siya. Okay? Saan na ngayon ang mga leaders? Nasa baba na. Saan ang sa taas? Subordinates na. Ito na yung bago ngayon na leadership role natin. Anong ibig sabihin ng standard na to? Okay? Yes. Sir, you're here. Welcome, sir. Yeah. Can we give a round of applause to Okay, so again, anong pang-difference dito? What's the difference? There is now coaching. Right? You want to achieve our sales, but through coaching na. Okay, continue. What is the work of a manager? Anong trabaho siyang manager? Simply put, okay, you are managing, no? You are focusing on directing tasks, implementing system, and achieving short-term goals. Are you familiar with POLC? Tumaan kayo? POLC? Because that's a mandatory training before you become a manager. What is POLC? Block yan. Block pa na siya, basta mo magbaligtad na siya. PO na siya because what is planning, organizing, leading, because you cannot organize if you cannot lead. And controlling. Ang galing palakpakan. 100% okay, that's your work of POC. But what is the work of a leader or a coach? Okay, you focus on developing individual potential, fostering long-term growth, empowering employee, and in short, you are unleashing. What's the word? Unleashing. Meaning, may potential yung tao mo. Okay, tinulungan mo siya para makalabas yung totoo niyang kakayahan. Okay, that's the role of a leader. And you are there to motivate. What's the word? Motivate. Okay, motivate mo siya. Hindi lang pwede na. Kumusta benta pa rin. Diba? Okay, bakit ka nahirapan? Ano kaya? What's the obstacle that you're facing right now? Paano kaya ako makatulong sa'yo? How can I help you? Okay, that's the work of a leader. And, sige, set up. Sabi ko sa inyo, what's your role? Set up your people for success. Sabay-sabay sabihin.
Set up your people for success.
Okay, so that's our role as a coach. So ngayon, ang tanong, okay, just quickly lang, no? Just to differentiate. Okay, if you want, you can take picture, what's the difference. But the point is simple lang. Simple lang. Are you a manager or a leader? Okay? Hindi siya or. Okay? It's not the tyranny of the or, but the genius of the and. Meaning, I'm a manager and leader, hindi or. Okay? Forget the or. I'm a manager and a leader. Because sometimes you need to be a manager. And sometimes you need to be a so ambidextrous ka. Diba? Kaliwa, kanan, kahit saan ka alam mo. Kasi minsan-minsan, hindi ako trabaho yan. Manager ako eh. Diba? Hindi ako trabaho yan. Kasi leader ako eh. But now, the challenge now is, you have to have both. Manager and leader. Okay? Parang sa ano yan sa amin noon. Ano bang gusto mo, boss? Benta o yung numbers na binibisita ko yung customer? Sabi ng mga dati, mga old mindset, siyempre yung benta. Tama, hindi. Pero if you are now a new mindset, sabihin mo, I want both. Benta and yung mga processes na ginagawa natin. Right? So inay mong katapag, you are a manager and a leader.